I don't know. I've seen them, but I did not find anything like formulas.
Okay, great. So hi Sneha, how are you?
I'm doing very well. And what about you?
I am good too. I'm good too. Thank you. We have talked before, no?
Yes, we have
Yes.
done one session.
Right. This is our second session together.
Yes.
Yeah. And if I'm not wrong, you're in third standard.
What?
No? If I'm not wrong, then you're in third standard.
No, I'm in sixth.
You're in sixth.
Yeah.
So okay, that must be a different person then. Okay, so how are you doing?
I'm doing very well.
Doing well? Wonderful. And how are your sessions going?
My sessions are also going very well.
Going very well? Very nice. Do you take sessions every day?
No, not every day. Like once in a week.
Once in a week.
Yeah.
Once in a week you take sessions. Yeah. So I think the last time we talked, you were telling me about your siblings, right? Like how one of them is in college.
What? College?
One of them is in college.
My sibling? No, I have a sibling. She is in class 3.
Yes. And any more siblings you have?
No, I only have one.
I'm just kidding with you. Great job. Okay. All right. So is your summer vacation going on right now?
Yes, it is going on and it is also going to end.
It is going to end when? 1st July?
Yes.
1st July. July is such a bad time that you have to go back to school. So it's sad. So are you done with your holiday homework? Is it all finished?
Yeah, but maths a little bit is left in maths.
Maths is still left.
Yeah, just a little bit. I've completed it half.
Okay, half of it is completed, but rest of the half is still left.
Yes.
Okay. So see, Sneha, you only have like 9 days left with you. So you'll be able to finish your math homework within 9 days.
Yes.
Sure, you're sure about that?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay. Do you do your homework on your own or your parents are helping you out?
Yes, sometimes my father helps me in
Your
maths.
father helps you in maths. And other subjects?
I can do it by myself.
You can do it on your own. Okay. Can I just get like a brief on what all holiday homework you did get this summer in your all subjects?
Yeah, the most interesting was science. I got a homework in which we have to make a chart, a balanced diet chart. Like in small portions, we have to put rice, rice and rice and
Pulses.
lentils, different types of lentils, and grams, dried peas, like that. We have to put them and write some things about them, like that.
Okay. And on that chart paper, you have to stick it on.
Yes.
Okay, fine. This was science. Is that ready?
Yes, it is ready.
It's ready. Okay. And other subject?
Other subject in English, it was 1 or 2 pages, like that. We had to make we had to complete the story. The story was a thirsty crow, and the unseen passage, and fill in the blanks related to grammar. Yeah, like that.
Very nice. Okay. English is also done. Okay, next.
Next is SST. In SST, we had to make pictures of all the 8 planets. all the
Okay.
8 planets, and we have to write about them, like one paragraph. We have to write one paragraph about
One
all the
paragraph
planets.
each.
Yes.
Okay, fine. What else?
The last is Hindi. We had to write chapter 1 of our Hindi book in our copy, and it was a poem, so we wrote it in our copy and made drawings, and mm,
Okay.
yeah,
You had to copy that kavita in your notebook.
yeah,
Okay, that was the only Hindi homework you got.
yes.
Okay, very
No,
nice.
no, no, there were more.
There's more.
We had to
Okay.
write essay on discipline in a student's life, and we had to like yeah, there were many more. I forgot.
Many more. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay. So, but is that done?
Yes, it is done.
You've been able to finish everything except for maths, right?
Yes.
Okay, that is nice. Okay, what is your math homework?
My maths homework is to complete chapter 1 in fair copy, like 1.1, 1.2. That is
Exercises. Okay, okay.
yes, all them, and we have to write
Okay.
all the formulas from each chapter.
All the formulas from each chapter.
Yes.
So there would be a lot of formulas.
Yes, and I don't know from where can I get them. I don't know where it is written. Formulas are not written, especially in the corner of the book, so I have to find them in the book from all the
Right.
chapters.
So is
That
it like
is,
all formulas from all the chapters there are in your maths book?
I don't know. I've seen them, but I did not find anything like formulas. But
That's a very weird homework that you have to write all the formulas. It is
yes,
difficult to do that. How will you
yes.
manage?
I don't know. I will do it, or I will tell my sir that I could not find.
Okay. So is he polite or is he strict?
He is strict. He is strict.
Okay. Then how will you tell him that you didn't do your homework?
I don't know anything about that. First, I will try to complete it, and if I would not be able to complete it, I would tell just my sir that I
I
could
wasn't
not
able to do
complete
it.
it.
Okay. So
Yeah.
are you not in touch with your friends, other people of your classmates that who are trying to do this homework?
Yeah, I'm in touch of them, but um, yes,
Even
I
they
asked
haven't done
them.
it.
No, they haven't done it yet. Too.
Even they haven't done this homework, right?
Yes.
Okay, but I really wish that you find this weird homework that is left out and you'll be able to
Yeah.
do it. Complete all the formulas that are there within your book. But okay. You know, in our time when we were in school, we used to get holiday homeworks like visit for science, visit this planetarium, visit this
Oh,
garden. There was a dinosaur park, and then you have to visit that place. You have to click photos, and then you have to paste it, showing that you are in that planetarium, etc., etc.
wow.
Yes, that's the homework that we used to get, you know. And for English, we used to get a name of the movie that you have to watch this movie in your holiday homework. And after the school has
Okay.
reopened, you will be asked questions based on that movie. That this movie was watched, so how did you find it, or what was there? Okay.
It is very interesting.
Yes. I let me suggest you a movie. Okay, I'm sure you'll like it. It's called Sound of Music.
Sound of music.
Yes, it's a very old movie. It's from 1960s, I guess. But
Oh,
it was like a holiday homework of every kid. Every kid the time. That's how popular and interesting that movie was. So you should definitely try Sound of Music.
Okay.
Okay. So we once got this English homework that watch Sound of Music, and after that you would be asked questions based on Sound of Music. So we were asked questions when we were there.
Okay.
For English, this was. And we used to get names of novels, that these are the names of the novels. 6 novels were given, and out of this, any 2 you have to read, and out of that, questions would be asked when school reopened. So this used to be our holiday homework.
Wow.
Listening to your holiday homework, I feel my holiday homework was very interesting.
Yes.
Yes. You are not given any places to go to visit?
No.
Never?
Never.
Oh God, we have gotten a number of places to visit. So my father always used to take us like, okay, this is your holiday homework, so we have to go here. We used to
Wow.
go to that place. But it was interesting.
Yeah.
Sad your holiday homework is not like that.
Yes, it is very unique homework.
It's unique, right? Yes, so this is the
Yeah.
kind of homework. I have gotten this balanced diet one where we used to put in that Ziploc, we used to put rice and that, and then we used to paste it. Yeah, I got this also. And you have gotten some art and craft homework?
Art and craft. No.
No art and craft. We used to get art and craft, like, you have to make a house, and the clouds were of cotton, and those ice cream sticks you had to stick to make a house. This was our art
Yes,
and
in
craft.
our school, big classes did it.
Oh,
I've seen it in our school.
okay, it's there,
They
right?
do it. Yes.
Yes. So when you'll also grow up and go in your higher standards, I'm sure you'll also get this homework. Maybe
Yes.
it'll be interesting. Do you have art and craft class in your school?
Um. No, we did not have any art and craft class in our school, uh, but now maybe it is possible because I'm in class 6.
Class 6, right?
Yeah.
From our school, when I was in school, from KG only we had art and craft. We used to get
Wow.
that art file. We used to draw stuff. I was very bad at drawing, but okay. I tried my level best, whatever I could draw,
Yeah.
but no art and craft for you. Okay. You have
Yeah.
dance class?
What?
You have dance class in your school?
No.
No dance class also.
No.
How? Music
I
class?
don't know. There is no dance class. There is no music class. There is no art and
Art
craft
class?
class.
Oh, only subject class there is. That is sad. Do you have
Yes, and
sports
some.
period?
Yes, we have sports.
Thank God you have sports. Okay.
Yeah.
And just studies. That's it.
Yeah.
Oh God, that is sad. We used to have art, dance, music, art and craft. There was sports period where I used to go for swimming because I like swimming. Do you know swimming?
Wow, swimming. You
Yes.
went swimming.
Yes, we used to go for swimming in our school. We had this huge
Wow.
pool in our school and we used to go swimming there.
There's no pool in our school and there's no
No
swimming
pool.
class.
Is there any sports ground or sports center near your house where there is a pool?
No, I don't know.
No.
I haven't been there.
If if your school doesn't have a pool, then you can separately go for swimming classes.
Yes, I
Because I
can.
think swimming class is an important class and everybody should know swimming. So yes, our school had a swimming pool and we used to go there swimming for our sports period. Do you have badminton in your school?
Yes.
Badminton is there? Yes. Even we had badminton. So at least check you have badminton in your school. Okay, that's
Yes.
fine. Which sport do you like to play?
I like to play Coco. It's my favorite.
Okay. Any other game that you like?
Indoor game. In indoor game, I like chess.
Okay, very nice. Oh, you know how to play chess? I don't know how to play chess. Very nice.
I know my father taught me
Your
and I
father taught
play
you.
with him.
Wow, that is so nice. Okay. Any other game? Outdoor ones?
Outdoor, yes, I like tag games. I played
You know how to play
randomly with
volleyball?
my. No, I don't know how to play volleyball.
Volleyball is violent, so it's okay if you don't know volleyball. It's fine.
It's violence.
It's violent, yes. People just kick you and hit you with their hand, and they can hit you anywhere. You know? That is
Oh,
why I used to stay away from volleyball. I got
oh,
hit on my face, you know. She literally hit me on my face. So I'm like, what if I ruin this pretty face of mine? That would be not good, right? So I stayed away
yeah,
from volleyball. So volleyball was dangerous. Volleyball and football. I stayed away from these.
yes. Football, I've seen people playing, and it is violence.
People can get seriously hurt by playing football.
Yes.
So I don't encourage football. Basketball is good. Do you play basketball?
No, I don't
No.
know about it.
You don't know about basketball. That's okay. Basketball is interesting, yes. But we only played it for like 1 year. That's it. But yeah, we played throw ball. We played kho, yes. And what is that game where you run and touch people? I forgot.
Touch people, tag game, touch and go, like
I
that.
have no idea what that is called. You know, like when you run around in a circle and you touch one person, so he goes out of the game. No,
No, I don't know.
I don't know. We must be playing some idiotic game back then. But yes, these were the games that we were playing. And there's this very interesting game. What was that? You know how to play chiclets?
Chiclets? No, I don't
Chiclets?
know.
No, chiclets was very interesting in our time. And